Now I can honestly say there is such a thing as too much hair, and maybe cheaper doesn't always mean better. If you want to know about this hair, keep on watching.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fought you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring you affordable hair and makeup, and I'm going to start throwing some clothes in there, girl, on a budget. But if you're oldie and a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's jump into this video. Now the hair on my head is a crochet wig. It's by the African collection. It says it's 100% premium fibers. It's called, the style is Jamaican Locs Braid, and it's in this color 1B. Stock card looks like this. This is actually my first crochet wig. This is my second crochet wig because my first crochet wig was actually what was it by? I can't remember what it was by, but it was like that lock unit, which it wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best one. It was okay. Now this unit, I can see why it was priced the way it was priced. Now I think this unit was like $6 or something like that. So it was hella cheap, and there's a reason why it was hella cheap. No one really gave it a 100% review on it, and I didn't look for any reviews online, honestly, because I just saw it. I'm like, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna see what it looks like. And no, I wish I kind of watched what other people had to say about this unit before I got it. Let me tell you about the cap construction. So it's not really big head friendly. It is actually made for someone with a small head. I mean, you could loosen it up, but it won't give that much, to be honest with you. Putting on my head, it kind of was slipping back a little bit because I have a lot of hair and it wasn't staying down. Now it has like I think 3 small combs at the front right here, right? And a comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and it does come with baby hairs, which is hella thick, and I can't lay them down, so maybe someone else try to lay them down, but it doesn't stay down, and it's not really all that good. And when it took it out of the pack, it was flat, and then I was trying to play with it. I was trying to create a style, like create little styles with it, make it look better, but I was unsuccessful. And I mean, I tried a lot of stuff with this here, and it just wasn't looking how I wanted to. I don't think it's a bad unit. I think someone could probably style it and make it look a lot better, but it's not the greatest, it's not the best. I think they're trying to make it a really nice crochet wig type hair, but it didn't work out for me. I don't think it's horrible. I just don't think it's the greatest thing. I mean, I think I would get my hair crocheted like this, but I don't think I would keep it in long because honestly, it's a lot of hair, and it hits like right now it's right on my butt. It's a whole lot of hair. It's nice, but it's a lot of hair. You see, I keep doing this because yeah, and it doesn't feel that heavy, but it is very bulky. I mean, you could probably take your shear scissors or your razor comb and probably like thin her out a bit and layer her. I don't know. She's not working out for me, and I really was looking forward to her because the girl on the stock card doesn't look bad at all. She looks really nice. She had it styled really cute, yeah. Now if you like this type of wig though, like if you like crochet wigs, and if you make your own crochet wig, then this probably will work for you. I just don't know, girl. Like I don't know what to think of her. If you like her and you think she looks good on me, you let me know in the comment section down below. But I'm not really feeling her that much. I mean, And I like me big. You guys know I love me some big hair. But this is just a big hair that I don't know if I'm you know what I mean? And now I'm kind of feeling like cheap is not always the best thing, because girl, I don't know what happened. I honestly don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I had high hopes for this year. Like my head feels so goddamn heavy. There's no parting space, so don't even look for that. There's no parting space. It's literally like it's stacked in there. It's quite heavy and bulky and thick, and it's just a whole lot going on. Like this. Great concept, great concept. I would love if someone would recreate this wig and maybe make it into a lace front. Like I would love this type of hair, texture and all, bigness and all, as a lace front unit or a full wig. I just think it will look really good. I loved the concept. I loved it. But it don't give me nothing. Like, you know what? I think Sensational Cloud9 should take this hair, this type of hair, right? Obviously a nicer, because this feels like kind of plasticky, kind of. But if you would take this type of texture here, bigness and all, and do your Cloud9, put it like in your Cloud9, what's that word I'm looking for? You guys know what I'm talking about. Your Cloud9 line of hair, I think it would be amazing. It's nice, but it's not constructed well. It's honestly not constructed well. So I'll show you what the hair looks like from different angles. Obviously this is what it looks like from the front. Okay, I'm going to show what it looks like from the right side. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on the left side. Okay. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back. And I'll show you how long it is. So it's about here. So, right above my butt. Right above my butt. It's a lot of hair. It's honestly too much hair. Like, I don't know, sensation. No. This is African. Ooh, that was a lot. African collection. I've never purchased from them before. This is my first time. Not really fully disappointed. Just wanted it to be more. It has the potential to be more. If there's a wig similar to this and you guys know about it out there, do let me know, because I love these type of hair, but this one she didn't work for me. She didn't work for me, and yeah guys, just no, it's a no for me. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I will leave a link just in case you guys want to of where I purchased this unit. It will be in the description box down below. Yeah, I think that's about it. Follow me on Instagram. It's Tashina_Beauty. But if you can't remember that, that will also be linked down in the description box below. Like my video, comment on my video, please share my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Bye.